see. Gotta flex, tell the bro, don't fuck with me. I really work for money, so you know this shit ain't free. Gotta flex in silence, tell the bro, don't fuck with me. Our money all the same, and that's the shit that you don't see.
Say you don't see it, that's my two in the dark. AKJ boy, I'm pulling up like a narc. All my niggas do you see it, dropping bodies in the park. And my diamonds, they shining up from water like a shark, little bitch. All these hating niggas tryna be me. VVs, money on my head like it's a beanie. Dreamy, nigga pulling up from Lamborghini. Speedy, diamonds in your water like it's Fiji. I'm a niggas, they be rockin'.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Lil J, and today I have a very special video featuring Riptiide presenting
different names for gold jewelry that you may have questions about. Alright, let's get into it.
My money stay long, I ain't in the wrong. My babe Hong Kong, 100 for a song. Bitch, I'm gone.
I gotta flex in silence, tell the bro, don't fuck with me. I really work for money, so you know this shit ain't free. Gotta flex in silence, tell the bro,
here are
don't
the
fuck with me.
chains. You can see all of them. And Riptiide, take it away.
Okay, so we have the chains in order from lowest quality on my left to highest quality on my right. So to start off, we're gonna start with gold plated in general. Now I'm pretty sure most of you guys have heard of this term before. Most jewelry websites advertise gold plated because it's more affordable, but there are a couple things that you should worry about. So this is gold plated over steel. Most places you want them to sell gold plated over steel. If they don't indicate it, it's probably over brass. Now, I don't have any over brass because I'm careful with what I buy. But my recommendation is never buy gold plated over brass, because once it starts to wear off, the brass can turn your skin green. Steel would never do that. Even if it completely wears off, steel wouldn't turn your skin green or any of that, because it doesn't react to like your sweat and all that. So these are some pendants that are also plated over steel. And how you tell the difference, you really can't until it's worn out and faded. Okay, so next I'll be talking about gold filled jewelry. Now, I don't have any gold filled jewelry with me right now because I'm not sure which ones to buy. But this is probably the most confusing term in terms of jewelry. So gold filled isn't like a metal filled with gold, like what it suggests, even though it makes no sense. And it's not gold combined with other metals the way some people, if you look online, you'll see that it's like gold just combined with other metals, or like heat compressed, or like whatever terms that they wanted to use. It's not that, because if you have 18 karat gold and if you just combined it with another metal, you probably end up with 10 karat gold. That's all it is, or maybe even a lower carat. So gold filled is gold, like almost like a hollow chain filled with another metal. So this isn't gold filled, but the difference between gold filled and plated is it's just gold filled with the metal taken out can stand like alone as like a hollow piece of jewelry, except it's just filled with the metal to add weight and durability. But it's much harder to wear it off, and it's almost impossible to tell if it's real gold or not.
So, Adrian,
Yeah.
how do you start from melting in its ice?
Yo. I should probably get this to the freezer.
Oh my god.
The next piece I'm talking about, which I suggested in the last piece, is hollow jewelry. Now, tennis chains, Franco chains, Cuban chains, all those sort of link chains would be a lot more common in hollow. Okay, so the ice obviously doesn't affect the chain, but if you look in the back, let me zoom in a little bit. If you look in the back, you can see that there's like hollow pieces to the jewelry, and then within each link itself, it's also hollow on the inside. It's not filled or anything, or you'd be able to tell because of the weight. This piece is also gold hollow. I'm not too sure about the quality. It wasn't super expensive, but zirconia stones on the outside and it's hollow on the inside, as you can see. Yeah, the thing about hollow jewelry is if you pick it up, you're gonna definitely feel that it's lighter. All right, so our next piece is what some sites call vermeil. It's spelled vermeil, but vermeil, that's how you pronounce it. So what it is just gold plate over silver. I bought this piece from Shop GLD, so they have a lighter type of plating, even though this is 18K plating. And yeah, it has some ice stones on it. The difference between this and other plated items is gold plate over silver is just a lot more durable and it obviously doesn't turn your skin green. And it's just more, you're just paying for the jewelry because it's real silver, and it's not, it's definitely much higher quality than most of these. But yeah, this is it. Vermeil, or plated over silver. The definition of 925 silver, if you guys are wondering, is it's 92.5% silver, and then the remainder is just other metals. So yeah, so it's plated over 925 silver or 0.925 silver, depending on how professional they want to be with their terminology. But yeah. Okay, so our next piece is solid gold. Now the first grade, which I don't have, would be solid 10 karat gold. Anything below it's no longer considered solid gold anymore. So 10 karat is probably gonna be, usually it'd be like this color, even though this one's lighter. But yeah, that's about 10 karat. The next one is 14 karat, which is just more gold, less alloy metals. And you can see it says 14 karat on it. That's how you know. And obviously some fake websites will try to stamp it, but this is solid 14 karat gold. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with these terms by now. Everything in between is obviously, could be alien to you guys, but this is probably, you're probably familiar with this piece. Okay, so our last piece is a solid 18 karat micro Cuban chain, if you look really closely. Very thin, very expensive. And you can see it's clearly more yellow than my 14 karat jewelry. Now another name for this that you guys may be wondering about is 750. So 750 Italy, they call it that because it's, I think 75% gold, but that's what standard 18 karat is supposed to be. So this would be about, I guess 60% gold. 10K would obviously be less, and then 24 karat would be 100% gold. Yeah, so this is 750 or 75% gold, which is 18 karat. Okay, so obviously I don't have it with me, but because I went through all my jewelry. But the last two grades of jewelry is 22 karat and 24 karat. 22 is a little bit more common overseas. I don't see too much 22 anywhere. But 24 is the highest grade of gold that you can possibly get. And it's just 99 to 100% gold. Obviously, natural gold would have some metals mixed into it, but it's pretty much pure gold. And the thing about gold is it's really soft, so when it's combined with other metals, it's actually, believe it or not, a lot more durable. But for 24 karat, since I'm really rough with jewelry sometimes, it's easy to break, it's easy to snatch too, and it's really expensive.
Yo, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And peace. I love you guys. Woo!
Bling bling.
Bling bling.
Okay. Shout out to our cameraman.
Shut up, bitch.
Shut up.